Sedan owners rejoice. Ah! Wow, this is worse than my car. You could do a whole workout with this thing alone. Lucas, are you ready to party? Oh yeah. Welcome back to another Z1 install video. Today we are doing a front subframe brace on Nathan's G37X. And yes, it is available for sedans. So sedan owners rejoice. So for this install, we only need a couple of tools. We're going to use an impact gun, a torque wrench, and a 14mm socket. And so the first step we're going to do is we're going to loosen up the stock subframe brace. What I would recommend on older cars is doing it by hand first, so that way you don't break any of the bolts. So we're going to get started. All right, so once you've cracked them loose by hand, take your impact and your 14mm socket, and then just zap those puppies out of there. One more. You might need a friend to help you get this off. Ah! All right, cool. I got it. Sweet. Wow, this is worse than my car. All right, so just like that, the old crusty stock front subframe brace is out of the car. What we're gonna do really quick is actually show you the difference in weight from the stock one, because as you can tell, I mean, this is pretty heavy, whereas the new one that we're putting in is much, much lighter. So why don't we head over to the scale and get these two things weighed? I mean, just from carrying it over here, I mean, you could do a whole workout on this thing. So we've zeroed out the scales. Let's get the old one on there. What does that say? 20 pounds? And then take the Z1 front brace. Seven. So, as you can see, it is significantly lighter than stock. But yeah, so now that we've got them weighed, we will put the new one back on the car. Alrighty, so we're gonna take the new Z1 front subframe brace, line it up with the stock bolt locations, make sure you have the Z1 logo facing down, and we're gonna hand, just make sure everything kind of lines up, and then we're just gonna start by hand and thread the bolts back in there. Keep it from falling. Getting that first one threaded in is the hardest, but once you kind of start working your way around, it gets easier. All right. Now it looks like the subframe brace is in. Be sure to get some adjusted just so it lines up just right. And then you're going to take your handy dandy impact and start zapping them in there. And now the final step is you want to torque the bolts to 52 foot-pounds. So we're going to get that set, 52 foot-pounds. Sweet, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to install a front subframe brace on a G37X. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on which how-to videos you want us to do next.